Hey, it's Joe up here at iList. For those of y'all who were not able to attend one of our live demos, a live Q&A, I wanted to give you a short overview of what iList is and why agents who want to focus on sellers need a platform like this. So let's start by setting some base understanding here. The tools that you have access to as a real estate agent currently, right? Whether it's KV Core, Sierra, Lofty, Sync, those platforms are not built for sellers. They're built for buyers. So if your goal is to work with sellers, engage sellers, convert sellers, you actually need functionality that delivers a seller experience that will lead to conversions. That's where we come into play here. So what I want to spend the next couple of minutes doing is going over the 4 simple things that every agent should have access to when it comes to sellers. So let's start with the broadest category, which is going to be interactive home valuations. And the reason I say this is the broadest category is because home valuations are the primary gateway when it comes to marketing to sellers, right? Most websites, most landing pages say, hey, look at the value of your house. The problem is when a seller clicks on it, it's just data capture. You ask for their name, their email, their phone number, their social media information, all up front before you even give a value. And the sad part is 99% of the time, you don't even give a value to them, right? You say, hey, I'll send you an email. That is the biggest bounce point in real estate. Here's what we do. We create full interactive home valuation experiences. So the second a consumer types in their information, they are seeing instant data on their property. We bring in the best value sources in real estate. It's built for engagement, which leads to higher conversion. And by the way, I'm going to show you what this looks like real time in just 1 second. Now, we can't just stop with home valuations, right? Our home valuation experience is the best in real estate, but we also layer in instant cash offers. Now, I'll tell you this from doing thousands of these. Any seller interested in their home value is also interested in cash offers. It's a fact, right? Even if you as an agent do not think so, I promise you every seller is interested in what a cash offer could look like. So one of the things that makes iList very unique is we actually bring in multiple instant cash offers directly under the home valuation because that's a natural progression, values to cash offers. These are legit cash offers because we work with amazing companies, Zoodealio, Zoomcasa, Easy Street, Open Door, OfferPad, Easy Knock. We work with some great national platforms. So you as an agent can deliver instant cash offers and you can actually send a property out to those parties by clicking a button. It's one of the best cash offer platforms in real estate, and it's natively built into everything you do. Now, following cash offers, we want to make sure that we also appeal to every thought or every need of every seller. So that's why we bring in custom listing options. You as an agent actually get to customize these options to fit your business. We have traditional options, flat fees, different listing percentages. We have the cash offer world, which we just talked about. We have a bidding platform, an auction platform built in for you that you can customize for your audience. And then we even have a off-market FSBO free listing platform. Great for the FSBOs, canceled, expires of the world. And the listing options are designed to attract a large audience. So when you start with the best valuations in real estate, followed by instant cash offers and listing options that you know every seller is going to be able to be interested in, think of the engagement that you're going to get, and all of this happens automatically. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about is our marketing tools. So these functionalities up here are great. It's going to add immediate value to your world. But where we start seeing real conversion is when we layer in our seller-focused marketing tools. Our seller-focused marketing tools include email marketing, CRM integrations, landing pages, QR codes, and more. And I'm going to show you how all of these marketing tools work together to drive more seller conversations to conversions. Now, I'm going to send you a link to our website so you can look at the rest of our functionality here. Everything we do is built for you in your world, your website, your CRM. We have dashboards so you can scale your business, offer portals to make the offer management side of what you do awesome. We are loaded with functionality to help you scale your business. But let me start by showing you how this works in real time. To really bring this point home, I'm actually going to open up a website that does not have our functionality. So this is a KV Core website. Now, just because I'm showing you KV Core, this same issue applies to Sierra, Sync, Lofty, right? You name it, same functionality. If I'm a home seller, first of all, this website focuses on buyers. Okay, that's issue number one. Issue number two is if I am a home seller and I click on sell, watch this experience. I'm going to drop in an address here. Watch the experience that is created. You give me two values and a map. That's it. This is very similar to how most home valuations work on most sites. Now, let me show you what we do for you. This is a website where we added our functionality. We built this out for the agent, just like we'll build it out for you. Notice the hero image says, are you a buyer, seller, or cash offers? This is what we bring to your world. So if I'm a buyer, there's the buying functionality. If I'm a seller, there you go. And if I'm a cash offer, there you go. All functionality built in one place in your website. Now watch this. If I'm a seller, I'm going to drop in my address. We're just going to use that same one. I'm going to say, get the value of my home. Watch how we are different here. Notice we're inside the agent's website right now. We are creating options, gathering values, and fetching offers. And look at the experience that we bring directly to this home seller. We're able to give them instant data on their property, show them who you are because we keep you at the center of everything we do. And look at these valuation tools that we bring in. The best value sources in real estate, built for engagement, which leads to conversion. We want your sellers involved in this process. Your sellers can also look at instant cash offers. Once again, these are from the largest buyers in the nation, and listing options that you get to create and customize for your business. This is the experience that we want a seller to have. Now, notice this. When a seller tries to leave this page, we're actually capturing their data right off the bat. So this is what we want to create and bring to your world. Now, in order to show you the next benefits of iList, I'm actually going to go into a sample website. Okay, this is just an example. I'm going to drop in that same address. And we're going to go ahead and get the value of that property. So once again, I'm just getting back to the valuation page where we're gathering values, fetching offers, creating options. And here's what we're going to do. Notice once again, same experience, only I'm the agent now. Values, cash offers, and listing options. Notice how these listing options are completely different. That's because you get to customize them for your market, your business. Now, let's just pretend I'm a seller and I'm really excited about cash offers in this example, right? I could literally pick any option. It would function the same. But let's say I'm really excited about cash offers. This is the first time we ever ask a seller for any information. We lead with value first. We want them to know who you are, what you bring to the table, and then we ask for their information. So let's come in here and go sample seller. Okay, here we go. We're going to create a dashboard. Now, here's a major benefit of iList. Look, we give every seller a custom dashboard where they have access to their property 24/7. What other company, what other agent in your market that you know of gives sellers custom dashboards where they can access everything? Real-time communication, real-time offers, everything, right? This is what sets you apart. Sellers love having access to their property. Now, as a fake home seller in this example, I'm going to say, yeah, let me have some cash offers. I'm actually going to populate some data. Because I'm in a sample account, I'm having to populate this. Most of the time, all this data is automatically populated. So a seller can come in here and just confirm some information. They can answer, do we have a mortgage? And check this out. All of our questions are adaptive, Meaning if I come in here and say my payoff is 300,000, notice it's automatically populating our equity and everything on this property. Okay, so we're going to come in here. I can upload photos. I'm going to skip this for right now. And as a seller, I'm going to hit request offers. Okay, it's been received. The seller's actually getting an email right now saying that Joe is fetching you offers. And so the seller can see everything that's happening. But here's the best part about iList. I'm going to go to your dashboard as a agent. Give me 1 second. Sorry, let me log back into my account. This is your dashboard as an agent. Okay, this is where you live. It has links to our chat, our Facebook groups, best practices. We track every lead, and everything you need to be set up for success is here, and marketing is over here. We're going to get into this in just 1 second. But watch this. I'm going to hit my properties. I'm going to make my screen just a little smaller. I'm going to go to my properties. Look what property automatically shows up. Look who my seller is. And look, I can see exactly what they're interested in. As a real estate agent, I did not lift a finger because my world is built for sellers to engage and come to me. I did not have to chase them down. I did not have to convert. They were able to select what they're interested in and move forward automatically. This is what we do for you here at iList. Now, this same automation applies to any listing strategy, whether it's free, whether it's bidding, right? Whether it's a traditional listing, the same automation carries forward, the same seller experience carries forward. Now, because we did want cash offers, check this out. I'm going to come in here and show you how to get cash offers at the click of a button. You have one task that says review and request offers. As an agent, you simply review the data the seller provided. This is where you can also edit the data if you choose. And notice I literally clicked 3 buttons, and now I can hit select all and send this property out to the largest buyers in the nation at the click of a button. This is what we do for you. We make gathering offers and delivering value to sellers so fast and so easy. For a demo, I'm only going to send it to Zoodealio because they know this account I'm in is a fake account. So I'm going to hit request from Zoodealio, and we're going to give this about a 3-second countdown here. 3, 2, 1, and check this on this property for you. Okay. So if I click open these offers up, we see 3 offers, all from Zoodealio. I can open each offer up, see all the details. I can review it, and I can slide this offer directly to my seller. So just imagine the power of what I just showed you. In literally 3 clicks, you now have multiple offers on a property. If I would have selected the other buyers, you would have more offers coming in over the next day or 2. So think what this does for your conversations with sellers. Not only can you give them the best experience in real estate built for them, but now you have the ability to deliver instant offers from the largest buyers in the nation. Now, the benefit behind this is, think if you're talking with a seller trying to, maybe it's a buy owner off market and you're trying to earn that listing, right? Imagine if you delivered offers up front prior to even talking about marketing strategies. This is the type of value we want you to add to sellers. So now you can show them, hey, seller, before we talk about marketing or before we discuss anything further, let me reach out to my national and local buyer network and let me see what that world looks like. Let's see if there's a benefit there. And if not, we can talk about the open market. These are the type of conversations and tools we want you to have access to. Now, I'm going to go back to your dashboard as an agent. We're going to review this dashboard real quick because there's some amazing tools built in here. Over here on your left-hand side, you can add your cash offer partners, update your listing options. You can add iList directly to your personal website, and you can integrate it directly with your CRM. So if you're Follow Up Boss, KV Core, right, Sierra, Lofty, we can integrate natively with your CRM and your website. Over here on the right-hand side, we want to give you tools to literally start creating conversations. So let's just say you're driving down the street, you see a for sale by owner, okay? and you want to be able to give that buy owner something, engage that seller. You can just click open, like add a listing, select cash offers, add the address in, and guess what? Facilitate cash offers so you can have a meaningful conversation with that seller. So we make it incredibly easy for sellers to either come to you, or you can literally just add listings in here. Next, we're going to talk about our landing pages. Now, landing pages are a really cool feature because we give you 3 pages pre-built: home valuation, cash offer, and selling options. These pages are pre-built for you and ready to roll. Each page comes with its own custom QR code and its own custom URL. That way you can use these pages for different marketing areas. You can use them for unique social media posts, email links, everything, right? Let's just open up one of these landing pages and let me show you what it looks like. So notice these pages are very, very clean, right? You can toggle back and forth between home value, instant offers. You can add video in a sample account. I don't have video built in, but you can add video. You can change this text, background image, everything at the click of a button. And when a seller types in their address, guess what they're going to see? Instant data on their house, values, instant offers, and listing options. So now we have some best practices up here, videos, but let me give you 2 powerful but very simple ways to use these landing pages, right? They're very, very simple here. If you open up this landing page, notice we're all built on different URLs. Take these landing pages and I want you to copy it, and I want you to put these on social media. So week number 1, start with home valuations, put it on your organic social media. Week number 2, cash offers. Week number 3, selling options. That's 3 weeks of social media content built for consumer engagement. It's free and it's at your fingertips right now. The other best way to use this is take this home valuation link right here, and I want you to add it to the tagline of your email signature, meaning every email you send out to every buyer, tenant, title company, real estate agent, seller, right? I want them to be able to see on your tagline, explore the value of your house, get instant offers. Think of the number of emails that you send out daily and how many people you're putting your functionality in front of, right? These are 2 simple, free ways where you can use this functionality. Now, the next marketing tool we're going to talk about is one of my all-time favorites: database engagement, lead engagement. Now, most real estate agents have a CRM, and most real estate agents that have a CRM have a database inside that CRM. The problem is most agents don't engage their database correctly. So here's what I want to show you how to do and how easy this is. Let's come in here and just use KV Core as an example. But by the way, you can see we have Lofty, Follow Up Boss, High Level, everything built in here. We're going to use KV Core. So let's assume KV Core is your website we're integrated with, your CRM we're integrated with. We give you 3 things: email action links, email templates, and text message templates. Okay. Now, watch how easy this is. Let's say you, a KV Core user in this example, have a lot of really good emails inside of KV Core that you already send out. What I want you to do is copy this link, and I want you in every single email always have a call to action. To view the value of your house and instant offers, click here. And what you're going to do is put this link there. And guess what? When a homeowner clicks this link, guess what they're going to see? Their house inside of your website, just like that. It is absolutely awesome. Now, if you don't have email templates, right, but you would like some, we give you all of our email templates. These are designed to copy and paste, meaning this link right here is already customized to you and to your CRM. So the only thing you have to do is copy and paste, save it as a template in your CRM, and you can start sending these emails out to your database. And when they click on View My Home, guess what they're going to see? Their house, the best values in real estate, instant offers, and listing options. So if you want to engage your database, or imagine if you have for sale by owners, canceled, expired leads coming in, being able to engage them automatically in your own CRM, that's what we give you ability to do. It's fast, it's easy, it's powerful. Now, We give you all kinds of other marketing tools, lead sources, right? Direct mail components, which is absolutely awesome. We give you a lot of other marketing tools, but I just want to kind of focus on these two because they're so powerful, they're free, and they're built in. Now, the last thing we're going to talk about is data capture, lead management. Every time a user clicks on their address, scans a QR code, clicks an email, types in their address, you are automatically capturing all of that data. You know who that person is, you know what they clicked on, you know how many times they clicked on it, and we even take it one step further. We give you links to the value of their house, and we give you cash offers on the value of their house. We even give you custom QR codes for that specific address. So every visitor, every click, every address, we are capturing all of this data, and we're also passing it directly to your CRM for you. So if you're wondering who's engaging, what are they clicking on, what are they looking at, how many times, all of that happens automatically for you. I'm going to highlight one more thing here. We also have skip trace built in. So if you don't know who lives at an address, you can literally skip trace it. And guess what? It's going to bring in all of that data for you, and it'll go directly into your CRM. So that way, if you have partial leads, we can complete them and update your CRM that you have a seller looking at something specific, and this will either say cash offers, home valuation. It could say QR code scan, maybe email marketing click. And this is automatically tracks the engagement type that came in. So I know how many QR code scans I have. I know how many email marketing clicks I have, all in one section, and it's all synced to your CRM automatically. So let's go back to the beginning here, right? Let's take a little bit of a deeper dive into this. So our goal is to make sure that you have access to the best seller-focused platform in real estate. We want to highlight the 4 simple needs every agent should be using for sellers. We start with interactive home valuations. You saw how amazing those were a little while ago, backed by instant offers from the biggest buyers in the nation and custom listing options that you get to create for your business in your market. We provide marketing tools so you have access to landing pages, email marketing, QR codes, so you can start driving traffic to your world. And everything we do is built for you and into your world. You can scale your business because we give sellers dashboards. You're in the middle. We even give buyers and buyer agents dashboards for everything that they do. Our goal is to make sure you have the best of the best tools and do so at a price that no other platform in real estate can touch. Everything we do is built in. We do not have contracts. We do not have setup fees. Our goal is to be the most powerful platform in real estate. Our team sets it up for you. You've got a trial. Dive in and play with this. Let us add it into your world so you can start delivering the best seller experience, best offers, and best options to sellers today and start converting more listings. If you want to get started, click on Start Your Trial. Our team will take care of everything for you. Once you're set up, we'll actually jump on a one-on-one call and show you how to use all these tools. And kind of like I mentioned on your dashboard, join our mastermind group, right? We've got awesome support in chat. We are here with you every step of the way. If you need anything, let our team know. We'll talk to you soon.